Every sunrise is a reminder that whatever happened yesterday, we get another chance today. Good morning mga Choy. Today is Monday, and first I want to thank God for this very wonderful day. You know, think of a young dreamers who have failed in their first business attempt. Nawalan sila ng pera, got criticized by their friends and families instead of being cheered up, and even doubting kung para nga ba talaga sa kanila yung success. But instead of giving up, they chose to wake up every morning with hope. Natuto sa kung saan sila nagkamali at sumubok ulit. Marami silang mga problems and challenges, just like failure fear, lack of support. Yun bang pakiramdam mo na ikaw lang yung may gusto sa success na to kahit ang ginagawa mo naman ay hindi lang para sa sarili mo, kundi para na din sa pamilya mo at para na din makatulong sa kapwa kung sakaling makamit mo yung success. Self-sabotage. Yung bang pakiramdam mo na may bumubulong sa ulo mo that you are not enough. And ang pinakamalala pa dyan, exhaustion. That feeling that you are already exhausted by the emotional weight of trying and failing over time. But despite all of that, they believe that every day is a new shot. And eventually, small victories stack up into success. You know mga Choy, maybe yesterday broke your heart or last week made you question everything. But you are still here. That alone is powerful. You have survived 100% of your worst days, mga Choy. And let me remind you, once again, that today is another day. Today is another chance. Not to be perfect, but to be brave.
Something bad is about to happen to me.